In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a Webflow project, specifically focusing on the deletion and archiving processes. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open Webflow. A quick and easy way to do this is by navigating to their website in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your projects are displayed. This is your central hub for managing all things related to the projects you create in Webflow. Next, identify the project that you want to delete. On the dashboard, browse through your list of projects until you locate the specific one you want to manage. Click on the project name or thumbnail to reveal more options related to this project. This action will guide you into the project's detail area where further settings and controls are available. Once you're in the project's detail page, look for the Site Settings button and click on it. This is where you can control various aspects of your project, such as its hosting and general settings. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to navigate and explore. But our focus today is on deleting or archiving a project. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll notice a red button that says Delete. This button is specifically there for when you need to permanently remove a project. However, Webflow requires a confirmation step to prevent accidental deletions. So, if you decide you really want to delete this project, you'll need to type the project name into the confirmation box. This provides an extra layer of security and ensures that only intentional actions lead to the deletion of projects. Now, it's important to note here that if you're currently on a starter plan, you won't be able to permanently delete a project. Webflow restricts this action to specific plans, and the starter plan does not include permanent deletions. But don't worry, there's still an option for you. While on the starter plan, you can opt to archive a project instead of deleting it. Archiving is a handy feature that allows you to clean up your workspace without losing any data. If that's what you want to do, head towards the top of the page where you'll see an archive option. Click on Archive, and your project will be neatly tucked away, out of sight, but not gone for good. It's a great way to manage projects you're not currently using, and should you need it again, retrieval is straightforward. And there you have it. You now know how to manage your Webflow projects even while on the starter plan. Remember, archiving is a fantastic tool for managing your workspace efficiently without losing any of the work you might come back to later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your project management needs in Webflow.